Hi, it's Kassy, artist in residence with Imagine. I'm going to make a fun tag for you here today. You could use for Thanksgiving or anything for fall, really. It could go on a gift or whatever you like. So we're going to start with these starbursts that I've cut out of just white cardstock. I've actually die cut them, and then I'm going to stick them down with on-point glue, and I want to let that dry. Then once that is dry, I'm going to go over the whole thing with white gesso and let this dry so that we can add some color over the top. I really wanted to use this Golden Meadow VersaFine Clair. I think it's the most beautiful mustardy yellow for fall, and with this acorn, the two colors together just scream fall or Thanksgiving kind of look to me. So as you can see, the secret here is to use StazOn Cleaner to spritz on instead of water, and you get a watercolor effect, and you get these really cool sort of like I don't know what to call them, like a textury thing going on there. Super awesome. You really need to try this. It doesn't work with water because it's not a water-based ink. Okay, so you really need to use that StazOn Cleaner in a really different, fun way. So now I'm using my most favorite creative medium ever. It's the bronze, and I think I'm on my second or third pot of this because it's just gorgeous. It doesn't look like much when you first get it out. It looks kind of gray and dull, but as it dries, it has the most beautiful, rich, metallic bronze color. I've got vintage right now. This lighter brown color is the vintage creative medium. We have creative medium in many different colors, including clear, which is the one I'm bringing out now. Now in this instance, I'm using it as an adhesive, but with that bronze, when I put it through the stencil, that was using it, to create that nice pattern. So there are lots of different ways to use creative medium. Here I'm going to stick down all of my embellishments with the clear, just to make sure if it seeps through the side, that you're not going to see it. So that clear really helps out. And then finally, the very last thing I'm doing is adding some walnut ink to the edges with a paintbrush, so that I can get it just where I want it, and just adding a little bit of contrast to the edge of the tag there. And that's it. Look at all of that amazing color and texture. Really, you need to try this bronze creative medium. It's just really gorgeous. I can't stress that enough. And all of these colors work together so well to make a really nice Thanksgiving card or tag. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found some inspiration. Have a wonderful day.